Let an operation box be defined as A box B is equal to A plus B. And we were asked to evaluate 7 box 2 box 3 with 2 and 3 in brackets. And after, we're supposed to make a decision to see whether it is associative. So we're going to always start off with what is important, and we're going to write it back. A box B is equal to A plus B. And because we're working brackets first due to BOMDAS, we're going to put 2 box 3. So straight away we can see that the value of A is going to be 2. So wherever I see A, I'm going to put 2. And the value of B is going to be 3 because 3 was under B. So wherever I see B, I'm going to put 3. Notice there was a plus between them. So 2 box 3 is going to be, I'm going to use my calculator. I'm going to use bracket 2 bracket plus bracket 3 bracket. And you look, that's just 5. So I'm going to get 5. But notice that it's 2 box 3, that part is equal to 5. So to evaluate all of this, I need to do 7 box 5. And that's because since 2 box 3 was equal to 5. So I'm going to start off with the original binary operation, the function, the whole process. And now I'm going to work out 7 box 5. 7 box 5. Notice that the 5 came after the box, so I have to put the 5 behind the box. Straight away we can see that A was 7, so under A I'm going to put 7. And we can see that B is 5, so B is going to be 5. And there's a plus between them. So I'm going to use my calculator. Bracket 7 plus this 5. Just like how I wrote it, that's what I put in. And that's 12. So 7 box 5 is equal to 12. Therefore, 7 box 2 box 3 with these in bracket is going to be equal to 12. So we're going to put 12 right here. So the question next asks, is the operation box associative? That means I need to switch the grouping. So I'm going to write it exactly as it is, with the exception of the brackets, and I'm going to change the grouping now. So it was 2 and 3 before, now I'm going to put 7 and 2. So we have to work it out again and make a comparison between these two. Alright? So we're going to always have to start off with that original binary operation, which is A box B is equal to A plus B. And we're working with brackets first. So we're going to have that 7 box 2. 7 box 2. So straight away we can see that the value of A is going to be 7. So I have to search for A and replace A with 7. Good. The value of B is 2, so I have to look for B and replace it with 2. See that there's a plus between them, so I'm going to keep that. So 7 plus 2 will give us 9. So 7 box 2 is equal to 9. So notice that this part is equal to 9. So we're going to have to work 9 box 3. And that's all because 7 box 2 was equal to 9. So we're going to work back the original binary operation. A box B is equal to A plus B. And this time we're going to work out 9 box 5. We're going to work out 9 box 3. Yeah, box 3. See here? 9 box 3. So that's why it's so careful that you have to write it out properly. So we're going to work out 9 now, box 3. Reason being is that when we worked out the 2 box, the 7 box 2, we ended up with 9 here. And then we need to work with this box 3. See? So we're going to work with 9 box 3 now. So wherever we say A, we're going to put 9. And wherever we say B, we're going to put 3. And notice there was a plus sign. So 9 plus 3 will give us 12. So 9 box 3 will give us 12. Therefore, 7 box 2 in bracket box 3 is equal to 12. Now look at this. Now we're going to have to make that comparison. This with this. Do you notice that this and this is the same? So because when we work the groups, the two different groups, the answer come out to be the same, then we say yes, it is associative. And we can always clean it up, come and say, okay, since 7 box 2 box 3 with 2 and 3 in bracket is equal to 7 box 2 box 3 with 7 and 2 in bracket. Oh my word, it was equal to. It was equal to. And all of that was equal to 12. Then the operation box is associative. Good. So if you switch the grouping, look at it. In this group, it was 2 and 3. In this group, it was 7 and 2. So it was 2 and 3, then 7. And in this one is 7 and 2, then 3. Both of them, when we worked it out, it was equal to 12. So because the answers, despite of the grouping, was the same, then we say it is associative.